John Deere tractor cab build part 6, I think it says. Hinges on the door. Nobody ever showed. I just got some tube at Tractor Supply and then found a tube and then rod. And I just bent it, stuck it all together, clamped on the tube, would just put a vice grips on there and tack welded it and did the same thing down here and just made sure it was straight. Voila! And now my door works. For the hood up in the front here, piano hinge, and that is just insulated, pipe insulation. That's all that is around there. And I gotta find a way to clamp that to there. And I have regular weather stripping, car weather stripping, to go on the edges here. My base, I did 3/4 inch conduit, and what I did was, if I can get into a little better light here, I flattened it down and then I ground out, I just, ground it in so that the conduit would slide up into there. And then on the front, I just beat it a little flat and then tack welded it there. I did the same thing over on this wall. Just get it up in there and welded it into place. And in the front here, I did the same thing. I put the groove in there since that was a tube. So that's all solid. This side, I think, looks better than the door. But either way, there's going to be a gap. If that turns out to be a problem, then I'll probably just put a piece of rubber on here just to fill in the gap, because there's gaps all the way around. It's not airtight by any means, but I think I've got less than $200 into parts. I'm not going to complain.